How to make a numbered list in Slack. So to start, we'll just have to open our Slack account, and then in here we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the channel where you want to create or make a numbered list. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on this one. After that, we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen, and then in here we can now create or make our numbered list. To do that, we'll have to type 1 and then period and then space. After that, we'll have to type here the contents of our numbered list. So as an example, I'm gonna type here, read all the instructions, and then once I'm done to go on the second number, what we need to do is to press shift key and then enter key. As you can see, number 2 is automatically added. What you need to do is to continue the process until you are done making your numbered list. Once you're done creating or making your numbered list, what you need to do is to go on the right bottom part of the screen and then tap on this arrow icon to send the numbered list. So that's how easy we can make a numbered list in Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.